Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2018 on a 68 plate Volvo V40 T3 Inscription. This is the 2 litre 152 brake horsepower petrol with 6-speed manual gearbox, 5 doors, finished in bright silver metallic, and the car has covered just 8,000 miles. So have a good walk round of this absolutely fantastic looking V40. Mega specification, 2018 on a 68 and just 8,000 miles. I've got the car running because it's about 40,000 degrees today, so I've got the aircon on there before we all frazzle. Just the one private owner from new, full Volvo main dealer service history, 4 stamps in the book. We've got these superb looking 17-inch alloy wheels, virtually unmarked. Michelin tyres all the way around. Just a fantastic looking car. Ever so popular, these V40s. Sort of a Focus size. 5 doors, plenty of space. Of course, extremely safe, being a Volvo. Ever so reliable, and loaded with goodies as well. Road tax is just £165 a year. And we've got these specification wise, we've got these LED lights at the front. We've got your intelligent safety, so if you're getting a bit close to something, it'll tell you. As we have a look inside, full leather interior, bolsters etc. are pretty much perfect. Excuse the sunlight, but not much I can do about that. This is our British summer, make the best of it. Leather centre armrest, leather steering wheel, out to the door cards, all in excellent shape. Of course, you get remote central locking, and it does come supplied with 2 keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. We've got these Inscription kick plates, automatic lights, and up onto the steering wheel itself we've got controls for the radio and your voice recognition, and then you've got your cruise control and your speed limiter. Just click through. There's your mileage, 8668, 27 degrees. Balmy. Underneath the armrest there, you've got a 12-volt socket and also a USB port on the left-hand side. A couple of cup holders under here, and also another 12-volt socket there. Normal manual handbrake. 6-speed manual gearbox. And then all your infotainment, very central as with all the Volvos. You've got some grippy storage behind, you might just be able to see just behind there. And as we come back, you've got your start-stop facility which you can switch off. It's got parking sensors as well as a reversing camera on the rear. You've got your heated seats, dual zone climate control, and then as we make our way up, satellite navigation. You got your Bluetooth, media, DAB digital radio, and if I put the car into reverse, reversing camera with the parking sensors on the right hand side. So extremely well appointed. We've got handbooks in the glove box. Very, very nice indeed. Into the rear. I don't think the rears have ever been sat in, quite honestly. You've got your carpet mats which run throughout the vehicle. Electric windows in the back. 3 seats with 3 proper seat belts with the ISOFIX as well, so it is a proper 5-seater. We've got this couple of cup holders, central armrest as well. Looks very well in the silver. Like I say, you got your parking sensors to the back and then into the load space. Parcel shelf all intact, split folding rear seats, and then a really good sized boot space. Again, exceptionally tidy. And underneath we've got your locking wheel nut key and all your inflation kit, compressor, and all your bits and bobs. So there we have it. A fantastic example, 2018 on a 68 plate, V40 Petrol, T3 Inscription with a manual gearbox, 8,000 miles from one private owner and a full main dealer service history. Finance is available from £296 a month, that's based on 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 keys, and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, please do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Thanks very much for watching. Please remember, if you've enjoyed this video, do give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and if you do click the notification bell, you'll receive a new message every time we post a new car. Thanks for watching.